How to delete all text messages on Android. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you the quick way and easy way to delete all text messages on Android. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Text Messages app on your Android device and make sure that you have signed into your particular account that you want to delete all text messages off. After that, you need to tap and hold the particular conversation or the text messages, and one by one you need to select every text messages that is on your Android device. After that, tap on the touchscreen or the trash button, which is at the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, a pop-up messages appears on your screen to confirm that you want to really delete from your text messages app. After that, you will finally delete all text messages at once on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.